So hello everyone, welcome to Tecno, the number one smartphone here in the Philippines. So meron po tayong bagong labas, which is the mid-range po natin na Spark Slim. So ito po yung ating Spark Slim na kung saan naka 16 GB RAM and 256 na. For those client na naghahanap ng slim na smartphone, this is the perfect one na hinahanap nyo. Dahil sa naka 3.95mm siya. At the same time, yung mapapansin nyo yung design niya very unique at modern.
And the best.
Yes, napakanipis na siya. And then yung kagandahan dyan, curved design na rin siya. Then yung kagandahan po dito, yung ginamit nating glass, naka-Corning Gorilla Glass 7i siya. So you don't have to worry na bilis siyang masisira or mababasag. Then when it comes naman sa mga camera natin, kung mahilig kayo sa camera phone, this is the perfect one. Ayan. Even sa front camera natin is napakalinaw na yan. And then they have also a dual video, front and back camera natin, same naman na gumagana. And also, yung hindi mawawala naman is yung flash knob. Still, meron pa rin naman tayo. But hindi natin makikita sa icon. Dito na lang natin siya i-turn on. Then, this phone is perfect for camera. And on top of that, pwede rin siya for gaming. Since si ating Spark Slim ay supported ng Honor of King with a partnership, meron siyang 90 FPS. So, very smooth with a Helio G200. Perfect 4G processor, which is the Helio G200. And then, mapansin po natin, naka 144Hz na rin siya with 1.5K AMOLED display. So, this is a smartphone na perfect for gaming and camera, lalo na sa mga mid-range na hanap nyo is budget-friendly for only at 9,499 with 45 watts and 5,160 milliamp batteries.
Oh. May AI features yan dyan?
Yes, supported na rin po ito ng mga AI features natin na maaari natin gamitin while we are editing of photos, videos, and mga ELA. So, by that, very modern design and actually, bago ito nilabas sa ating market, dumaan tayo sa mga tests like grinder test, stapler test, and many more.
Yeah. Notice na napakagaan niya.
Yes, lightweight. Tsaka napaka-very easy. Bit-bitin. Diba?
Okay.
Para may iwasan ng pagkangalay, this is the perfect one. And then may isa tayong kulay niyan. So yung isang color po natin is color white. Ayan.
Oh.
So this is the other one. Mapapansin nyo, para siyang si iPhone Air. Ayan.
Oo nga, para sa iPhone Air na forma niya.
Yes. And then they have also a dynamic light effects. Meron siyang light effects dito. Once you receive notifications, calls, yan, pwede mo siyang i-customize. So, by going to the sounds, and by that, pwede ka mamili ng style, mood light design. So, yan.
Yun.
Very unique.
Anong ini-indicate yan?
For every time you receive a notifications, calls, yan, charging, low battery, voice assistance, yan, pwede mo siyang i-turn on. Ang tawag natin dyan is mood light effect. So, by this mood light effect, nag-pump up yung ating color.
Ayun.
Diba? Very unique. Oh, yun guys. For those mga client na naghahanap ng smartphone, especially kay Tecno, we have here at SM Bacoor Smart Gadget Store. And pwede nyo po akong hanapin. My name is Jenny, a product master here.
At yan ay available through credit card or any other?
Yes, available po siya through credit card, debit card, straight payment, home credit, cash, and GCash payment. Pwede po. Ang previous po natin dyan, here, meron po tayong phone stand. Kasi po, inside the box is meron na po siyang kasamang case and meron na rin po siyang kasamang curve na tempered.
Okay, so punta na rito. Hanapin si Jenny para sa bagong Tecno
Spark Slim.